Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanskruti, and if you're new to my channel, hi, I am Sanskruti. I do videos in this channel related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle, and I love to do this thing. So today's video, as you all know from the title of this video, I'm going to do an unboxing video of a new subscription service or a new thing that I came through. Is this style Craker. I know this is a huge box and it is new to you also, guys. If you are thinking of this box, so I will going to give you a quick information about Style Craker box. So Style Craker is like a lifestyle box, or it is a personal styling box. So it will be going to curated by a other person, and this is endorsing by Alia Bhatt. And the thing that I attracted about it is that Style Craker is the service where you will going to visit their website, where you will going to face with some of the questionnaire in the website. They will going to ask you about your body shape, your shape, sizes, your choice of styling in your life, what you do not like, what type of clothes you wear, what type of bags you prefer to take, what type of jewelry you prefer to wear, and every sort of thing. And by gathering all of this information from you, one of the stylists will going to shop from you according to your information that they will get, and they will curate a box full of items, and it will going to come to your doorstep, and you will be going to surprise with new things that you are not aware of. And the very much good and the most excited thing that I came through is that they have also the choice to choose the budget range. So they have 3 range of budget. So I have picked up the first range, and because I was new to this service, I don't want to take any kind of risk. That's why I gone through this first budget thing. And let's get started with unboxing this thing. So guys, I got this huge box full of items, and in the first range of budget, you will going to get 3 items. According to the budget you choose, you will get item according to that. So for the first budget that I got 3 items in it, according to the information that was taken from me through the website. First thing that you will going to get is this 2 info card. Here is something special curated only for you. Be your celebrity stylist. We hope you love it as much as we love curated it for you. Do share your post and picture of your Style Craker box. Love Style Craker. So this is an invitation card that I saw for the first time, and also you will going to get some coupon or any so you will also going to get discount card. So if you are going to visit their website again, buying things from them or the Style Craker box, you will going to get some discount. Here I get 15% discount. This is the discount card. So the next 2 things come in this jute bag. So the first thing that I am going to open is this. So here I get this sample size perfume. This is the Breakout Unisex perfume. This is the sample size perfume that I get. This is a gift from Style Craker, and in another jute is from them. It is a very nice western wear kind of earring. I love it, and very classy, and the quality is very good. Price is 699 rupees. Can you believe that? I love these earrings, guys. So you also get jewelry pieces, shoes according to your budget, as I already mentioned. So the next thing is the most excited thing that I actually love that they have sent me is this sling bag. I love this bag, and I love this bag, guys, and the thing that I attracted is that they will going to give you branded things, a good quality branded thing. So I got this one. Let me show you. This is the sling bag that I got, and it looks really very nice. It looks really very nice. I love this sling bags. It also has this magnetic kind of lock here, and it opens this light, and here a paper thingy going on to get the shape. This is from the brand Graja, I say. Yes, this is from the brand Graja, and this sling bag cost for 2,200 rupees. OMG, guys, I love this bag. So you can attach this sling here to carry with you. So I love this sling bag. This is the second thing, and the last thing that I got in this Style Craker box is a pair of clothes. Yes, you will going to get a clothes piece. So I got this embroidery top with me, and DPF, and this is the top. It has this embroidery work going on. The cloth is really very good. It is a bit of loose to me, but I can pair it with any kind of jeans or culottes pant. And the color is really very attractive. I love the color. It is a really very pastel peach color that I love to wear in my daily life. So yes, this is the third thing that I got in this box. So these are the 3 items that I got from my Style Craker box, and if you are interested to buy a Style Craker box, I will going to link it in my description box, so you can visit their website and you will get your Style Craker box. And the most attractive thing that I love about Style Craker box is that somebody is going to shop things from you according to your preferences. That is the most excited thing that I found in this box, and it is really very good idea. You are getting everything tip to toe in a box curated by a stylist or a celebrity stylist. So I love this box, and I think this is worth the money you are paying. So yes, if you want to buy stuff from Style Craker or the Style Craker box, definitely I would highly recommend you. So guys, this is the video, and this is the thing that I want to share with you for a very long time, and I hope you like this video. If you, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit on that bell button next to it so that you will going to notify every time that I posted a video. So in this is Sanskruti signing off. Bye.